Happy Saturday, beautiful people. I am shaking the camera up as usual. Anyways, no, quite literally, I have a few orders. So I think I have like maybe 4 or 5 orders that I need to get packed. So I figured, let me whip out the camera once again and go ahead and record. But I also wanted to make sure I actually introduce this video, get in front of the camera. It is about to be Memorial Day. So it's the Saturday before Memorial Day. Me and the kids have been out and about today, surprisingly enough. So yeah, that's made for an interesting and busy morning. If you can imagine trying to go out with 2 kids by yourself. I don't know what I was thinking, but I did it anyways, and I survived. So, so we're back. As you can see, the printer is running, so I'm printing my order receipts and watching a vlog from Angela Jasmina, I think is how you say her name. Like her channel, even though I have no intentions and no business doing anything with embroidery and never will, but I like watching her videos nonetheless. So yeah, just figured I would pull out the camera and record me packing some orders and showing off the new freebies that are going to be going in all of the orders, which is super exciting. I cannot wait for you guys to get those. And yeah, I actually have one package that I'm sending to a coworker of mine that is not an order, just me sending just a little love mail. But anyways, I'm gonna hush because I think this intro is long enough, and I don't even think I said who I am. If this is your first time here, I am Shelby. I'm the blogger behind Shelby.com. I'm also the owner of Shelby Christian Stationery. I like to ramble, as you can tell. But anyways, I typically share studio vlogs, and I also like to share Bible study tip videos, Bible study lesson videos. Although I have not done one of those in recent months, I'm gonna get there, you guys. I am Bible studying. I just have not been recording myself Bible studying because I've been having a lot of quiet time. Just personal quiet study time, and so I don't like to record that. But anyways, hopefully I'll have some more faith-based content for you guys soon. But in the meantime, I just want to continue to try to produce something. So I hope you guys enjoy the studio vlog and enjoy seeing a little bit of behind the scenes for my Christian stationery shop. I do need to take a minute to sit down and talk to you guys about all the different things that are happening in the business, because I do want y'all support and want y'all to know what's going on. So hopefully I can do a video on that soon. All right, you guys, I'm gonna hush. Bye. gonna end the video with me packing orders, and then I realized a box came in and I thought it'd be fun to share with you guys some of the new items that are coming to the shop. This in particular is like a freebie that I'm gonna be giving to everybody who places an order, and I'm super excited to be able to offer just like another or a better, what I feel like is a better freebie. Of course, I've always given freebies, and it just depended on what you ordered, on what you got, and also like what I was creating for the freebie. But I just decided that I wanted to just kind of upgrade that experience even more. So I ordered some bookmarks. Sorry, I don't know why I can't talk. And it came in today, so I'm going to show you guys. Obviously, by the way, I sell bookmarks, so like, why are you ordering them? Because it takes me a long time to cut the bookmarks that I make for the shop, and the paper quality that I sell is a lot thicker than what you can get through like a traditional printer. And although, I don't mind giving that away as a freebie, it's not necessarily what I want my shop items to be, because I do like super thick paper personally, and I like the feel of the paper that I sell for my bookmarks. So long story short, I'm okay with this being a freebie, but wouldn't necessarily want it to be like a product that I sell in my shop. But anyways, I'm gonna stop rambling and show you guys the bookmark. Okay, so we are opening this together because I opened the box, but I did not actually take anything out. So I have not seen these yet, and I'm just praying that they look like what I want them to. So I ordered 100, and this is like a little custom illustration, but yeah, I am excited. It's just funny that it came in today because I just packed all of those orders, and it would have been nice to add them, to it, but hey, what can you do? Yeah, and I mean, don't get me wrong, this is like not bad quality at all. Like, this is a really nice quality paper. But if you've ordered from my shop and you like order this and then get this as a freebie, you're definitely going to be able to tell the difference in the thickness of these bookmarks. But it just says live by faith, which is obviously one of the things that my shop is all about, encouraging. So yeah, look at that, super pretty. And then the back is just, of course, just saying thank you for your support. And, of course, you got to put the website on there so everyone knows where they can find you. But yeah, I'm just super excited to start giving these out. I just feel like it's a good way to just show people that you appreciate their support, because you always just want to recognize that they could spend their money anywhere. So I'm definitely grateful for every order that comes in, because I recognize that money can always be spent on something else. But anyways, I'm not going to start rambling. I got to get back to work. Hey loves, thank you so much for watching today's studio vlog. This is going to wrap up today's vlog. Hopefully I'll get this posted. I cannot talk today. Quickly, I had to switch to the phone, so you'll notice that the footage of me packing up the orders and putting them in their mailers did get cut off because my storage ran out. But I feel like you guys get the gist, so we're gonna call it a day. Hopefully I'll be able to get this posted pretty quickly. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Do me a big favor and hit the subscribe button if you have not already. Do make sure to give it a thumbs up and drop in the comments and let me know what you think of these new freebies. Have you ordered from the shop? If you haven't ordered from the shop, why haven't you ordered from the shop? And if you have ordered from the shop, what did you order? All right, you guys, until next time, be blessed, stay safe. As always, bye.